This isn't a test track. This is where tire performance actually gets exposed. Kenda Light Truck Boot Camp brings tire dealers out of the showroom and into real-world conditions. Because what matters isn't how a tire performs in a controlled test. It's how it performs when the terrain isn't predictable. When the surface changes, and when the conditions aren't working in your favor. The Backway to Crown King runs through Arizona's Bradshaw Mountains, a route originally built to access gold mines in the late 1800s. This trail wasn't designed for comfort. It was built out of necessity. Loose rock shifts under weight. Steep climbs demand traction under load. Off-camber sections test stability and control. This is the kind of terrain that quickly shows you what a tire is and what it isn't. This is where things get interesting. Same vehicles, same drivers, same trail. The only thing changing is the tire. Traction isn't just grip. It's how a tire adapts to the terrain beneath it. A larger contact patch increases the amount of surface area touching the ground. Sidewall flex allows the tire to conform to uneven terrain instead of bouncing off it. And tread design determines how the tire clears debris and maintains forward momentum. Out here, those differences become obvious very quickly. This is where the performance gap starts to show. Some tires maintain forward momentum, while others break traction and spin. Some hold their line under load, while others begin to slide or lose control. These aren't small differences. They're the kind of differences you can feel immediately from behind the wheel. Once you're on the trail, there's no reset. Every obstacle is real. Every climb matters. Steep sections test traction. Loose terrain tests control. Technical rock sections demand precision and consistency. Every part of the trail reveals something different about how a tire performs under pressure. And this is where perception starts to change. Because it's one thing to hear how a tire performs, and it's something completely different to experience it firsthand.
I was impressed.
I've never seen anything like it.
This is a very capable tire.
You will be talking about this for a long time.
You have just gained a raving fan. Your tires are awesome.
When dealers feel that difference themselves, it changes how they think about the product. It changes what they recommend, and more importantly, why they recommend it. Different terrain demands different solutions. An all-terrain tire is built for versatility across a wide range of conditions. A rugged terrain tire leans more aggressive for added grip and durability. And a mud terrain tire is designed for maximum traction in the most demanding environments. Each one serves a purpose, and understanding that purpose is what leads to better decisions. For most drivers, you'll never push your tires this far, but your dealer has. That experience matters because it means the recommendation you get is based on something real, not just something read off a spec sheet. Find your local Kenda dealer at kendatire.com.